Derek is reinstalling the burners. Put the front combustion plate back on. Do a little vacuum and cleaning of everything and the exterior. Then we'll check our temperature and pressure, the relief and the expansion, zone valve operation. Wipe everything down with a nice oiled rag. Make this bad boy shine. Beautiful. All right, let's see what this aquastat is set to. Now that all the burners are back into place. Now this is an aquastat relay. So I'll explain to you what this does. There's our temperature control. That is set to 180 degrees. This is your transformer. This is your relay. Okay. Down here, where it says line, where C1, C2, that's circulator 1, circulator 2. Right below that is L1, L2. So that's line and neutral. Line and neutral also for the circulator. On the other side here, we have burner circuit. That's 24 volt burner circuit.